Okay, it's now October 24th, up at the cabin. And they got the septic in, yay! Put it in a couple days ago. There's Jakey. New tank, 1,200 gallon tank, it's bigger than the other one. And it goes into the cabin, into the tank, and then into the leaching pond. And the reason it's still opened is because the inspector has to come. He should be here tomorrow or the next day. And there she goes. And he'll redo all that dirt. Oh, Jakey has to christen it. Oh, nice pea. And then on the side of the cabin, there was a fire pit here, but that's gone now. It's just in pieces. And that's where I'll be putting my wood, and he's gonna flatten this out a little. So all my property goes a couple of acres that way. And then I fix this. Got my rain barrels, but this goes inside, right next to the wood stove. And the chimney guy will be here, clean that out on Saturday. Today's Tuesday. So, this is part 2. We'll do it when it's all finished again. And right now, the guy is down at the foundation for the garage, which eventually will be a barn. But for this winter, it's going to be the garage. Hopefully I get somebody to build it. Michael's busy. And then, of course, as I think I said last time, the shed, which will be the chicken coop. And part of what needs doing is he'll be running, right now the electric's over there, so he's moving it over here. And then he'll run a trench pipe. And these flags will be where the garage back wall is, so he's going to run the trench down here. A little bit of woods. I don't know if you could see it, but the foundation, you could see the pipe. I got it yesterday. I'm getting ready to go to Long Island. I got a court appearance on Thursday. Take some stuff I wasn't able to get on the truck. This guy is fixing that crack. And there's the pipe for the electric and the security system. And he put some stuff on, he's waiting for that to set up. And then he'll inject the epoxy, and now they backfilled it. Property goes acres that way too, and acres up. And this will be the garage foundations here. What we need to be doing the ground, and hopefully have the cement guy to pour the floor. And then this is my stuff here, the plow, and the hookup for the Jeep, and my little basket, and there is a refrigerator and a washer machine and the log splitter. I got that when George was here. He went down to pick that up. So, I'm getting there. Overcast day. It's probably in the 50s. I heard it's supposed to be 70 on Friday, which is mind-boggling. But you can see the foliage just kind of probably about 80% now. And when they come for the electric, I gotta get it flagged because I'm gonna be putting the flagpole right here. And there's Bentley's rock and Lynn's rock from Holbrook. Oh, and Jakey show. Such a good boy. Ready for the road trip? Yeah, ready for the road trip? Got my New Hampshire driver's license, New Hampshire license plates. And I got these things to mark the driveway for the snow plow. Oy, oy, oy. So, you gotta get that propane tank filled too. And underneath that blue thing is the generator, which has to get hooked up too. Alright, Mr. Jakey. Are you ready? Are you gonna sit? Sit. Jake, sit. Sit. What are you looking at me like I'm Chinese for? He's playing with his barbells. He just loves laying down. Huh? Are you ready? Oh, yes. I'm a happy doggy. I am. You gonna get your barbells? Huh? Yeah, shoot, good boy. You got that white face. Me too. Yep, we're getting older. And we'll leave maybe a chicken coop. I'll have electric going there too. That's cool. Okay, until next time.